Here is past questions of like 2023. Now, how can we solve this question? Right? Let's solve it together. We have question 14, like June 2023, past question. The question says make X the subject of the relation. We have Y equal to A S cubed minus B all over 3Z. Right? That is the question. And we want to make X the subject of the relation. At this question now, Y is the subject of the relation to this. But now we want to use X as the subject of the relation. Let's proceed. We have solution here. Right, this is the question. Now let's solve it now. For us to cancel out of this 3Z, right? So we multiply through by 3Z, right? Now we have 3YZ equal A S cubed minus B, right? So now we can add that B to both sides of the equation. Why? Because we are trying to eliminate out this minus B. So by adding B to both sides, right? So this not cancel out, right? The equations become 3YZ plus B equal to A S cubed, right? Now we can divide both sides by A, right? For us to have this S cubed, right? Now divide both sides by A so that it should be equal to this. For E, this A now can cancel out, right? So that we have now S cubed equal to 3YZ plus B all over A. Right. Now what can we do next is by take cubed root of both sides of the equation. Now you remember this cubed, if we have cube root of x cube, that will be equal to x, right? Because this 3 will cancel out the cube root, right? Let's apply that here. Now we take the cube root of this, so x, right? And take the cube root of 3yz plus b over all over a. That should be equal to this. Now we look at it now. We have options from A to D. To correct option to choose, we see that B is the right answer. Thank you for watching.